In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix something went wrong with this game or app on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you want to do, there's actually a few different things. The very first thing you can do is the most basic thing, but all you want to do is go to power and then go to restart. It closes all your games and apps and restarts your PS5. See if that works and see if your games work after that. The second thing you can do is go over to the top where it says settings. Go ahead and click on that. Then just go to system, which is the sixth option down. Once you click system, go to system software update and settings, and update your system software if you're not on the latest version. If you're not on the latest version, you know, a lot of your apps won't even load, especially if they're online games. So you want to make sure you're on the latest version. And if that still doesn't work, just go back to your settings and go to users and accounts, which is the fourth option. Once you click on that, just go to other. Then all you want to do is go to restore licenses, which is a common fix for this issue. So all you want to do is you can select the game that you're having issues with, but what I would recommend is selecting every single game you have that are available right here. Then just go to restore right there, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.